Thank you for joining me. I'm Cynthia. This is the Body, Mind, and Spirit channel. We are doing a wonderful stretch to gain flexibility in the hips and the thighs. As with any stretch, we want to approach it with caution, never trying to force the body into a deeper stretch than it will allow. Once you feel that slight tension, just stay where you are at and breathe. If at any time you feel pain or discomfort, come out of the stretch. Breathe gently and normally. You can do this stretch from the bed just as easily as you can on the floor. We're going to begin by rolling our shoulders back, remembering that our spine is a conduit of energy. The better the posture, the better the breathing in your yoga practice. The buttocks and tailbone are rooted into the earth or the bed. We are going to bring the legs out and place the soles of the feet together. We don't want the soles of the feet too close to the body. We're going to roll those shoulders back once again, focusing on the buttocks and tailbone rooting into the earth. We're going to inhale and release. Inhale and release. Inhale and release. And if this is as far as you can go, that is just fine. Stay where you are at and breathe. You should be beginning to feel a nice stretch in the backs of your thighs at this time. Feel that stretch. Inhale and release. Inhale and release. Inhale and release. The spine is coming forward. Inhale and release. 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 Gently begin to come up now, focusing on your tailbone, rooting your tailbone into the earth. The spine is moving towards the tailbone, gently coming up, rolling the shoulders back, straightening the spine, feeling that wonderful life force and energy all around you on every level, in every area of your life. I wish you wellness on your journey.